In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your company file to QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. We'll take a step-by-step approach to make sure you can easily and efficiently move your data to QuickBooks Online without any hassle. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Look for the sign in button and click on it to get started. Remember, having all your credentials on hand before you begin can speed up the process significantly. Once you're signed in, navigate to the option that says QuickBooks Online. This is where all the magic happens, as it connects the dots between your company file and the online platform. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password and then click continue. This step is straightforward, but double check your entries to ensure there are no typos, as they can prevent you from successfully logging in. Upon entering your workspace, shift your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the settings icon. Click on it to access various options related to your QuickBooks account. Becoming familiar with the settings section can be beneficial for future tasks as well. Next, within the settings panel, locate the tools section. This is where you'll find several utilities that can help manage your data, but for today our focus is solely on exporting data. Click on export data to proceed. This takes you to a new screen where you can select the specific data you wish to export. This is a crucial step because selecting the correct data ensures a smooth transition and saves time later on. Once you have pre-selected the data you want to move, look for the Export to Excel option and click on it. This feature creates a file that can be easily manipulated and transferred between systems. After a few quick moments, your data will download as a zipped Excel file. Once the download is complete, you'll need to unzip the file to access the contents. You can do this by right-clicking on the downloaded file and choosing the Extract All option. Inside, you'll find your exported Excel files ready for review or further processing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your company file to QuickBooks Online. Feel free to revisit this guide if you need any clarifications or practice. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you with more QuickBooks tasks in the future. Happy exporting!